everybody, I'm dedicating this video to my wonderful friend Mary Jones. She's been so inspiring and so supportive, and I'm dedicating this to her as she started her new channel. Everybody, please go check out my wonderful friend Mary Jones. You will not regret it 1 minute. Hey you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to me. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I know you didn't have to, so I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap the subscribe, and hit the ring-a-ding bell for notifications, and I will support you back. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? The first time I've done a video in a while as far as full face goes. So pretty much all the products I'm using on my face other than foundation and setting powder are going to be products that I got either A from BoxyCharm, B from Ipsy Plus, or C stuff that I haven't used yet that I've gotten. So I'm so excited for you guys to see the video. I had so much fun making it. So if you want to see how I got this look on my face and what I used, you guys know the drill. Just keep on watching. I'll be right back. What I decided to do was do like a, I guess like a remix of some of the things I got in BoxyCharm, some of the things I got in my Ipsy Plus, and also a face palette that I got on a huge discount, and it was an amazing deal. Something that I've wanted for a really long time. That's been on my wish list, and I was finally able to get my grubby little paws on it, and it was awesome. So only thing I have on my face right now is I did use the Hey Honey serum that came from Ipsy Plus, which is so amazing as a primer. Oh my goodness. I did use it as a primer, but I also put a little bit of the primer spray on, the primer, the Smashbox primer water, and I put the Hey Honey serum on, and then I just did my regular Rimmel, just really quick foundation application. I used my KKW concealer and brightening powder underneath. I just feel like a couple of these products need some love. So first off, what I'm going to do is I am going to definitely be using the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I'm going to try to give this product a little bit of love because I know, but you know, people aren't loving on it. So I'm going to give palette love on that. I'm going to try to pull something beautiful out of it. I'm going to use also the $1 Billion Brows that I got from BoxyCharm. Those two are my BoxyCharm products. As far as Ipsy Plus goes, I'll be using the Auntie lip product that I got. I'll be using the Ico eyeliner that I got. But for my face, this is the amazing product that I was able to pick up. Okay, Too Faced had a sale going on a couple weeks ago, and it was for face palettes. They had the peach palette, they had another face palette, and then they had this palette. This palette I have been wanting to get my paws on forever and ever and ever. Well, I had a coupon code for Too Faced, and I also had store credit with Too Faced. So I was able to get this beautiful natural face palette that I was in the Mr. Right brush, which, oh my gosh, is that not the cutest brush ever? It is so good for setting. I love it. It is my new favorite setting brush. So I got this and this. It was supposed to be $50, but I only ended up paying $16.25 with my store credit and with my coupon. So I would say I got away like a bandit with this deal. So I'm going to be using this palette today. I am so excited to use it. I am, oh my goodness, so happy to have this palette. It is gorgeous. The packaging, oh my gosh, look at the packaging, and sleek and just, oh, I love it. But this is what it looks like on the inside. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. This is an all-in-one Courtney Love Me palette. So I'm going to be definitely using this for my face. I am so excited. I mean, can you see in my face how excited I am? My mouth is still a little bit sensitive and hurting, but that's why I didn't put a whole lot of foundation on. But I am ready to get down with it with this palette on my face. So first off, I'm going to go in and do some bronzing. Bronzer, blush, highlight. This can be used the blush as well. So yeah, that's where we're at. There's something in my eye. Anyways, I'm going to get this out of my eye, and then I'll put this in fast forward. I am going to go into both of these blushes here. I just want to play around with it. So I'm going to go into the bright pink and the pink sand, pink wink and pink sand. And I'm just going to go to town with my blush. I sure am. Going to town with the blush. I think this blush is beautiful. I love both the colors, and I can't just pick one. I have to pick both. So this is just a beautiful blush. It is. It's very pretty. Okay, so there's my blush. Oh, so easy to put on. It's such a beautiful formula. It smells so good. So I'm happy with the blush. Oh, I love blush. I just use blush. It hurts to hit on my face like that. I need to stop that. So now I'm going to go in for some highlight. And I do want to use, I like the Satin Sheets color right here. The lighter of the two. I think I like that better for highlight as far as the look that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to dip into this for highlight. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Did y'all see that? Holy moly. The Satin Sheets is the Satin Sheets. Wow. That has a super rose gold pigment to it. Let's add a little bit of the Starlight to it and see what that does. If it brings it down a little bit. Yeah, it pinkens it up a little bit. Good gracious. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Look at the Cupid's bow color. Oh my goodness. I love it. There's someone at my door. Okay, sorry. That was the mailman. They like to knock on the door and scare me sometimes. So, as I was saying, I am very surprised about this highlight. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. I just can't believe the beautifulness that it's put on my face. Okay, that's beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love this palette. This is gorgeous. I am so blessed to have been able to get this when I did. I'm just going to go ahead and say that this palette gets my stamp of approval 150,000%, without a doubt. So I'm going to now do my brows, and this is always fun. I have not tried this brow product before. This came in BoxyCharm, and this is the $1 Billion Brows, and this is the Universal Brow Pencil. It is a very taupe color. It's taupey. It is a very taupe color. So I'm going to put this in fast forward, and I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. That. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other. I really like the spoolie on this. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Okay, I do like this brow pencil a lot. I think it is really good. I like the way it looks on my brows. It's a little dark, but just because I use more than I normally would, just to kind of test out the product and see how the product works. But I do like it. So I do like that a lot. So it's a good brow product. So that's good. Okay, so next we are going to move on to eyes. So I have my eyes primed, and I am going to go ahead and use this Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. This was a BoxyCharm special, and there's been a lot of people complaining about it, and I'm going to try to do something special with this palette. You know, I just feel like it needs some love. Go ahead and go across my brows with the white. This is just a rock palette that I have. So in order to get, I think, the best color from this palette, I did not set my primer, but I'm going to go in with the one matte shade that's in here, and I'm going to pull something beautiful out of this palette. I'm going to put this in fast forward so that you guys don't have to sit here and watch me, but I am going to cover, basically do as much as I can with this matte color. And I'm just going to put this in the crease and we're going to see what happens. So here we go. Okay, so all in all, I had some trouble with the darker shimmer. Like, it did something funny over here on the side of my eye, and I was trying to get it all straightened out, but all in all, I think it did okay. It's definitely not a palette. It performs okay, but it's definitely not a palette that I would use like how I just used it. It is a palette that I would pull from with other colors. I think that the inner corner highlight turned out beautiful, and I think that for what I was, for me to say I was using the whole palette, I think that it turned out fine. I think everything looks fine and uniformed, but it's just so much shimmer, which I love shimmer. Don't get me wrong. I am the first person to say, shimmer me up, Scotty. I do like how that darker shimmer performed, because I used both the darker shimmer colors, how they performed under the eye. I was very surprised at how they performed under here, because I didn't think they were going to show up, but they did. Now, that being said, super shimmery look for me. I usually don't go this shimmery with my looks, but I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and go in with my liner. And the liner that I'm using is going to be the liner from my Ipsy Plus glam bag. And it is the Black Magic liquid liner. And I think that once I put liner with this, I think that it's going to look completely different. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have these beautiful lashes on, and these lashes are actually from House of Lashes. They're the iconic lashes. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They were a Christmas gift from my friend Marlo, and I just think that they're beautiful. So these are the lashes. I still have to blend them, so I'm going to use this Ciate again. Blend the lashes. I had to cut them just a little bit, but not much. So first time I've ever put on any House of Lashes. And I really like this Ciate mascara as well. So, see, I think lashes and liner just makes a huge difference with this look. I do have to go over a couple of little places on the top here. Okay, so I am done with my eyes, and I feel like they turned out really beautiful. I do. The Rainforest of the Sea, Rainforest by the Sea, whatever it is. This is the palette we got in BoxyCharm, volume number 3. Some people did and did not get this palette, but whoever did, just be positive and give this palette a chance. I think that you will be surprised with how it turns out if you really do play around with it and just kind of let it, just give it a chance. Just give it a chance. So for lips, I am going to use the Vasanti. This is the Vasanti Matte Crush that I got in my Ipsy Plus. I love it. It came with a sharpener. It is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous color. So I'm going to go ahead and use that for my lips. I think this is a beautiful color. I'm so excited about having this color. I love this color. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. It feels and smells so good, and it just makes your skin, it just makes you feel like your skin is just everything is just coming back to life. It is my finished look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All in all, and final thoughts is, I do like the Tarte palette. I do. I think that if you're going to use it on its own, you're really going to have to dig inside the box, and you're really going to have to think outside the box to try to come up with something that's going to work for your eye shape. I think that this palette was meant to be a highlighting eye palette, like an eye highlighting palette, meaning you know, inner corners, up top, learning how to contour with the shimmer shades. I think that's why they only put the one matte. This, you don't really have a whole lot of options as far as color goes, but you do have options as far as tint, like hue. So, you know, this is the dark that I used, and I also used a little bit of this, and then the rest was like this color, the whiter color, and then this the inner corner highlight. So the matte was very, very unnoticeable. I think this matte will show up on darker skin, but the matte did not show up on my skin very well at all. So I'm sure you guys saw that. I'm gonna go ahead and give this palette my stamp of approval, but that is in the idea of it being used in conjunction with another palette, not by itself. Even though I think this look came out beautiful, I had to work to get it there. So as far as everything else I had today, the Ciate mascara, I love this, and I really love the Echo liner right here, the Black Magic liner. This is amazing. I was able to pull off a gorgeous wing with this, and it did so well on my eyelashes, my eyelids. And then the lashes I put on were the House of Lashes, the iconic lashes, and I absolutely love them. The brow pencil, amazing. I really love that. Beautiful, beautiful face palette that I used. I love this palette so much, so much. And then the Vasanti lip is just gorgeous. So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know. Oh, my hair is crazy. Let me know, you know, if you've tried your BoxyCharm palette. Let me know if you tried it, you know, what look you were able to pull off with it. Let me know how you feel about, you know, what you got in BoxyCharm, or if you got Ipsy Plus or any of that. So I love you guys so much. I will see you guys on my next video. Remember, I will not argue with you. If you like the video, please hit the like, tap subscribe, and the ringing dingy bell for notifications, and I will support you back. Love you guys. Bye.